Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. We've got something super special here. This is a 1990 1500 with a front end conversion of an Escalade, so they call this Cadi-Klysm. It has a North Star V8 from a 1996 Cadillac that normally is front wheel drive, and they have converted it to rear wheel drive. This is a heart stopper, showstopper, the list goes on. 2,400 hours, 3 years to build it, and it was featured in Sport Truck magazine in 2002. If you guys want to find out full details, click on the link below. Let's get these Boyd Coddingtons rolling. Let's talk about the overall condition. I would rate this one easily a 8 out of 10. Shows extremely well. It only has 130 miles since they restored it or built it like this. When you start to look at all the features, you're going to see all the shaved door handles, the Frenched in panels in the rear. You have a hydraulic lift gate for your tailgate, and you actually have a custom mounted front Cadillac Escalade fascia. This has the North Star 4.6 liter V8 in it, and it sounds great. Headers, MSD ignition, the list goes on. You have a set of Boyd Coddington staggered wheels, 17s in the front and 20s in the rear. You have disc brakes on all four corners, air ride up front so you can give it that nice rake, and I love the color design. So you have that beautiful orange with your pinstriping of multicolors and then a rich black. You have shaved door handles, and wait till we see the interior. I show you the interior. It's unbelievable. Custom dash throughout, custom center section, custom stereo. Looking at the rear bed, extremely smooth. I can lean down right here. I want you guys to see Felix in the background and myself. This is a show quality shine. This is not something that was driven quite a bit. So this is to pull up to a car show, you unload it out of your trailer and drive it in and take your trophies. Looking at the rear section, you have a Frenched in rear bumper with a custom built-in light. So your light is under here, turn signals are under here as well. You have your Cadi-Klysm hand-painted insignia right here. That was the nickname for it. So if you guys want to see more information, in Sport Truck magazine, you're going to look at the December 2002 magazine. This is a cover car, which is fantastic. Roof line's nice, paint is even throughout, all of your black is very rich, and the only imperfection I can really see would be on the front, or actually, come on back here. The only imperfection I can see is right here on the Frenched rear tailgate. See that small chip right here? So you have the ability to lock this in place so you could tighten that, and then you have a hydraulic control, so I'll show you that right now.
I like that.
Thank you. So you have a hydraulic control under here, and you can lift up the rear. Aircraft inspired metalwork throughout for the top section of this tonneau cover. Hydraulics go up nicely. We'll open it up a little more. Also, if you need to work on this, you could pull the pins and work on it. You could lift it up higher. Nice metalwork throughout. You have your fuel tank back here. It does have a kicker stereo, and then you can add additional speakers. So there's two Solo Barrick S7s behind the seats, and you can add two additional inside here for show. That's exactly what they did. Optima battery, all of your relays are on the corner back here, which I like, so you can see everything and how it works. So all of your relays are showcased there. We'll have photos of that as well. Metal work throughout is very nice. I like how they polished all the pieces for the top section. And once again, you have a nice little lock, so once you close the hatch, you can lock it in place. We'll leave it open for right now. I'm gonna open up the door for you so you can see that the paint flows in to the cabin. So you have beautiful leather seats, and then you have the paint that goes all the way into the cabin. Custom centered section dash, and look at how it Frenches in, or how it's laid in. When you close it, nice and even throughout. Billet door handles. Let me get on the passenger side and we can go more about this. We can go about this better. It does have poppers. The key is inside the ignition right now, so. Door cards are great. Leather is very nice. You do have a custom Budnick steering wheel whenever you do have the air ride down, it does adjust over sideways because the wheels camber in. This is something that we have not driven much. This is more so a show car to bring to car shows. Starts up nicely, so I can put the key in. And it starts up with no issues. It sounds good. You do have a custom stereo. I can hear the air compressor working. And you have all your gauges here. So fuel gauge, water temperature, which is good. We just did the video and pictures. Headliner is very nice. Voltage is good. And it sounds really nice as well. So if you come on this side, I'm going to show you the hidden panel to control the air ride. So right here, you click this and you have a release for your panels. This is going to control your windows. So I can put my windows up. I can also put the windows up over there. Tracks are good. Then you have your air ride control. So I can lift up the front and you'll see it go up slowly. And then you can drop it as well. There you go. So you can lift it up, and then if you want to drop it, you can drop it. It sits nicely. We'll let it lower right now. Center section's nice. You have your turn signals that operate. Horn works. Lights operate as well. You have a little light up here, high beam, low beam. Does have an amazing stereo, so it bumps. What we're gonna do now is pop the hood, let you guys see that, and then you can make your decision on buying this truck. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Let me shut it off. So the key is hidden under here. You have a little release right here, which pops it open. Chrome release. And look at how neat that is. So this is a North Star V8. Coil packs over here. You do have an updated water pump, so it's an external water pump. Engine bay is very clean. Just a little bit of dust from us driving it. You can see the air ride setup. You can also see the airbag and control arms. Very nice. Big custom radiator. Beautiful car. We just put Cadi-Klysm in the air. I want you guys to see how nice the actual chassis is. So you have a chassis that's been modified with strengthening bars. You do have polished control arms. You have your airbags up front. The rear has been deleted from airbags. It has a coil setup, but if you want to add airbags, you can. Running down the bottom of the chassis, you're going to see how nice everything is. It does have a catalytic converter still in place. You have your transmission cooler. You have a polished drive shaft. And then you have your compressors for the actual polished air tank. You still have air that runs to the front lines. And in the rear, when you look at the rear, the suspension setup is really nice. So if you do want to put airbags back here, you can. It's a coil setup right now, but you do have hard lines in place and the pump in place to run additional lines and put your bags here. And you just mount them up and you're good to go. It does have the nitro drop shocks in the rear, no leaks from the rear end. And then you do have disc brakes on all four corners. It's beautiful. Look at the exhaust. It's all polished. I like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.